Apple released the iPhone Air. No number, just Air. I mean, look at it. This phone is ridiculously stunning and very thin. They decided to go ultra thin with this phone, and it screams several red flags. Okay, understand, this phone is 5.6 millimeter to the thinnest part, and yet it houses the A19 chip, same as the Pros. So it's gonna give you a lot of problems. Okay, because why? They didn't even add any thermal efficiency like they added to the Pros, so it's gonna give you a lot of thermal problems. So it's gonna overheat. I gave you this because why? I owned an iPhone 12 mini before, so I'm speaking from experience. I know how these phones are. Okay, so the problem is that you're gonna have a strong chip, a very powerful chip, and a very thin body with a very small battery, so it's gonna give you a lot of thermal problems. And then adding to that, there's no vapor chamber at the back, just like they gave the Pro phone. So how do you give a small phone so much power, but there's no room for the phone to breathe, and also the battery is gonna be small? So it also comes with titanium with no advanced thermal solution, so you can understand where I'm coming from. This phone is gonna give you a lot of problems. And let's also speak regarding the battery. Yes, they arranged the phone components all the way to the top, but that doesn't mean anything. The battery is still gonna be small. It's gonna be not enough for you to use the phone for the whole day. Yes, Apple's claiming that this is an all-day battery. I mean, do you really believe Apple? This is an all-day battery. I've been using iPhones for over 10 years. I don't trust this. So also they decided to give it a dedicated MagSafe battery accessory for this phone. That screams red flags. Why do you give this phone a dedicated MagSafe battery if it's gonna give you an all-day battery in general? Claim it's not gonna give you an all-day battery in general. So yeah, the good thing, if you decide to buy this phone, it comes with a 6.5-inch ProMotion display. It has an an A19 Pro chip inside, and it also has the new selfie camera and also the single fusion camera at the back. So it is a very beautiful, stunning phone, but you're gonna struggle with battery life, and also it's gonna overheat. So now can you imagine with a poor performing battery life, and then the phone overheats? It's gonna be even worse for you to use the phone. If you can put your emotions aside in terms of it being stunning, you're gonna definitely struggle with this phone. I don't know, what do you think, guys? And anyone still owns the 12 mini or the 13 mini? And please tell me, over the years, how was the phone been treating you? I end up sending mine back, and I upgraded to a Pro Max. My phone is a current 14 Pro Max. It's heavy, and trust me, the battery life is not as good as the 13 Pro Max, but it is what it is. So I'm thinking this one is gonna be very horrible with so much technology and so little space and components and movement. There's just not enough in that phone. That body structure is too little for the technology inside that phone. The battery is gonna be a problem, and it's also gonna be overheating, too uncomfortable. It's gonna be, my 12 mini used to burn me in my pocket when it's sunny, when it's about like 30 degrees, 25 degrees. Like I could feel my phone burning me in my pocket. So it's very uncomfortable to use a overheating phone. So I don't know, what do you think, guys? So I don't know, guys, so do you think this is a buy for you, or are you just gonna pass this one and just get the Pro phones or the normal iPhone? And for those who enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. And if you want more conversation regarding technology, sports, current affairs, and relationships, this is the place for you. Please subscribe to my channel so I can give you more information regarding a lot of things, and a lot of things that I know about. I can share them with you. And we are about to hit 1 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so we can hit that number 1,000. Road to 1,000. Subscribe. Until next time, I'm out.